Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again. And in this another Kodular video, I'm going to demonstrate my own or my newest project or my new scholar projects. And the, the project is about Kodular calculator apps. So without any further ado, let's go to the video. So here are the first screens of my projects. So here is my workspace, and then in this first screen, it's just used for animation, simple animation using Lottie files, and you can get it in drawing and animations. Then you can uh, set the search. Here I take the search from Lottie files official websites, and after you get some animation that you want to get it into your projects, you can export the JSON format, uh, and then you can drag it to the assets manager, and after uploaded you can set the source here to the animation.jsons. And but for low defaults extensions, it cannot display in the emulator, so it only can be displayed in the real mobile devices. So wait, loading for my emulators. So and then here I have a clock in here used for automatically navigate after animation. It will automatically navigate to the next screen, that is home screens. So let's go to the home screen. So this is my home screens. So this calculator app used for calculating some general math questions or calculating, for examples, circumference of a square or area of a triangle. Yes, some things like that. Then I'll try to display it on emulator. But I sure if we display it on emulator, it will be a little bit broken, because the pixels in the emulator and in the real mobile device it's a different, because I make it using the real mobile device pixels, so I think it will not be the same as mobile device screens. So just waiting. So while waiting, I will explain about the blocks. So here in the home screen, it's quite a simple box. It just, if we click some card or buttons, it will navigate or open another screens. For example, if we click this calculator buttons, it will navigate us to the calculator page. So this is our my BlueStacks is already load. Then go to the task and connect to companion, and you can enter the code key x o e c n. Okay. So while waiting, I will describe a little about another logics of that I use in these projects. So here I use a lot of projects like times or plus, minus. Yes, I use math logics because this is a calculator apps. And you can see right here, yes, as I say before, it's a little bit broken because I build it on real mobile device pixels, and when we display it on in an emulator, it will be different. So but it's okay, we'll just see about the features. So this is the home screens. Yes, a simple background, and then there is an egg buttons we can click. So if we click one of the button, it will direct us to the another screens. The first is calculator screens. Yes, the calculator screens. Yes, in this calculator screens, we can do a general math questions. General maths, yes, general maths questions. For example, 120, then 100. If we click plus, it will yes plus. Then if we click minus icon, it will be minus. Then if we click this one, I don't know how to say it, but it will yes, it will yes, yeah, I don't know. Then if we click the X, it will make it times. So delete yes, just a simple math solvers, a general math for plus, minus, and then like that. And here is the code. Don't say at this long code because this is just used for the decorations. So this is my main logics that use yes examples. Yeah, this is very simple. Next, okay, if you want to back from the one screens, you can click back screens on your mobile devices. Then next to the square, let's click it. Yes, in this square screens, you can calculate for for the area of a square or circumference. For example, I'll input the size uh, 23 centimeters, calculate, so it will automatically generate the area and the circumference of a square. Yes, like that. Then we'll back again. We'll back, for example, another screens, rectangle, input long, then input the white. Calculate, yes, it will automatically generate the area and circumference. And almost all of the like geometry page have a same codes like this, but it's just use the different logic. For example, if rectangle on the one input rectangle, I mean square on the one thing that we have to input. In rectangle, we have to input two things for the long and the wide. And then let's next to another screens, I think. Right, from rectangle, we go to the triangle. So there's three things that we have to input a number. And it only can to input a number. We can input some stacks or icons, only numbers. So let's make it calculate area is the area and circumference is automatically generate. Let's back again. Okay, and rhombus. This there is three. Let's input again, and all of this is working. Yes, this is working. So it will very useful if you get some math projects from your teachers or like that. You can make your own applications and you can use it on your phones. And exactly, there are a lot of there are many of features that you can scale again in these projects. For example, you want to add some more geometry, or you want to count 3D objects, yes, like that. So it will be more confusing, but you can add it. So the way to do that is, you know the I don't know to say, you know the rumus. Yes, if you know that, it will be easy. And yes, just like this, you can answer yes. And I made these apps for 1 week, I think. And this is the top trapeze. And the confusing one of this project, besides the logic, is about the UI. So sometimes I have to um, resize, like maybe the font size, or the padding, yes, something like that, because I build it in a different screen's pixels. Okay guys, maybe just that from me. Thank you for you that watch this video. Thank you for you that always support me. And don't forget to see me in another video. So I'm Faishal. See you in the next time.